Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is August the 1st, 2025, and this is one of the new dahlia patches that was just put in this year. And these are our seedlings, so we have seedlings mixed in with some dahlia tubers that we had bought. Now we do need rain. Some of the plants are wilting, like that one way back there. That one is wilting, so we do need some rain, and we were using the water tanks earlier to keep everything nice and moist. So my initial plan was to use the plant netting that I had bought to let my dahlias grow through it, but unfortunately we did not get that up in time, so I had to take and use some tomato cages to stake some of the larger dahlias because they were falling over. So the netting would definitely have been easier to put up and just let them grow through. Some people like the netting, some people don't like the netting. I used the netting on some other flowers and I was really pleased with my results with it because my plants weren't falling over like in previous times. But these here, this year we just had to use these cages here. So I am having an issue with the bugs eating the dahlia flowers, and I don't recall ever having that issue before when I grew dahlias, because I used to show them, and I don't recall ever having where the bugs were eating my dahlia flowers. So I'm not exactly sure why they're going to them this year like they are, but for some reason they are. Yeah, we got to get some water out here for these. Now you don't want to overwater your dahlias because you can rot the dahlia tubers, but when they start wilting they definitely need water. This is a very well drained area here and spot. This actually used to be a compost pile, and then it had gotten transformed into a perennial bed, and with as cold as it was last year we lost just about everything in it, and then we turned it into a dahlia bed. Now we do have another dahlia bed elsewhere, and I'll have to show you that one later. That's not up here, it's down on one of the other plateaus. So I'll have to show you that one later. Here is a celosia that got mixed in with one of the dahlias and it didn't get pulled out, so it's going to bloom. So I honestly thought when I started these earlier that I would have had more of them blooming by now, especially with all the room that they took up in the greenhouse. But a few of them are blooming, some of them are just coming into bloom, and some of them we are still waiting for them to bloom. So I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to keep starting them early or if I'm just going to plant them out, plant the tubers in the ground at the appropriate time and just let them grow from there. I thought that, you know, we would have had more blooming than what we have right now. So I just wanted to show you this, give you an update video on how they're doing and how they're growing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the notification button notifies I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.